Hello and good morning everyone. How do you do, my kids? All are you good? Wonderful. Okay, so children, are you ready for this day, for the class? All of you ready? Okay, so say with me. Oh, yes. Wonderful. Okay. Now children, before starting our class, sit properly, watch the video very carefully, okay, and learn the sound, song and all the vocabulary words, okay. So let's begin. So children, yesterday we have learned a sound. Yes, a for umbrella, a for urn, a for up, under. Yes. Okay, so today we will learn a new sound, and that is V sound. Which sound is this, children? V sound. Yes, this is V sound. Okay, now let's see the vocabulary words of V sound with pictures. So here you can see, children, what you can see here. This is for vase. Vase. And vase में हम क्या रखते हैं, children? Flowers. We put the flowers in the vase. Okay. Now for which bird is this, children? Vulture. For vulture. And vulture is a bird. And now see for van. For van. Yes, van is a vehicle. आपने कभी जब आप रोड पे जाते हो, बाहर घूमने जाते हो, आपने वैन देखा है ना? So this is for van. Okay. And for what is this? Vegetables. For vegetables. Pumpkin, potato, tomato, onion, brinjal, capsicum. All these are for vegetables. Okay. Now, for what is this? Violin. For violin. Violin is an instrument. Yes. ये एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है. जब हम इसको यूज करते हैं, हम इसे प्ले करते हैं, तो उसमें से म्यूजिक निकलता है. So, for this is violin. Okay. So, children, today we have learned V sound and for vase, vulture, van, vegetables, violin. And what is the song of the V sound? Sing with me. Drive went round the village. Drive went round the village. Drive went round the village. Yes. So now this is the time for an activity, and today we will color in for vegetables, for violin, for vulture. Okay, so take out your alphabet small letters book and colors and see how we have to color in for vulture, violin and vegetables. Okay, so children, this is your alphabet small letters book, and take out page number 104, and here you can see V sound pictures. These are V sound pictures. V, violin. V, vulture. V, vegetables. Okay, so today we will do color in V sound pictures. So here you can see this is violin. Okay, in violin you can do brown color or you can do red color. Okay, I am doing here red color. Okay, so this is V for violin. Ma'am is doing here red color. You can do brown color also. What is this, children? V for violin. V, violin. And now I am taking brown color and doing here brown color. So it will be look very nice. And children, do coloring neatly, nicely. Okay, and now in its stick I am doing here brown color and here red color. So the violin is ready. Now here you can see, children, this is V for vulture. Okay, and in vulture we will do brown color here in its feathers and in its wings. And here I am doing black color. Here also brown color in its wings. And here you can do green color in the branch. And here, children, we will do skin color in its neck and its face. So V for vulture is ready. Now we will do brown color in its beak. So V for vulture is ready now. And this part you have to leave like this. Okay. Now children, here you can see V for vegetables. And this is pumpkin, potato, cucumber, brinjal, and this is tomato and brinjal. Now we will do color in for vegetables. So here I am taking orange color for pumpkin. And children, you should eat vegetables daily. Yes. So what is this, children? So this is pumpkin.
we are doing orange color in pumpkin, children, and you have to do also orange color here. And now I am taking green color here, and now I am taking brown color for potato. So the potato is done. Now I am taking green color for cucumber. And I am doing light green color in bottle gourd. And children, bottle gourd is Loki. And now for tomato, red color. All of you know tomato is red color. And green color for its leaves. And now we will do color in brinjal. Brinjal is purple color. And now its leaf, green color. And here you can do also green color. So the vegetables are done, children. So today we have learned V for violin, V for vulture, and V for vegetables. So it's your turn, children. Take out your alphabet small letters book and page number 104, 104, violin, vulture, vegetables. So do your work on time and send me your work, and we will meet again tomorrow with new activity of sound. Till then, children, take care. Bye-bye.